How to fix Snapchat notifications not working in just a few easy steps. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then hit the gear icon for settings in the top right. Scroll down to notifications and make sure all the important options are turned on. Go to your phone's settings. If you have an iPhone, find notifications, look for Snapchat, and make sure allow notifications is on. Also, check that notifications are set to show on your lock screen, notification center, and as banners. For Android, go to Apps, choose Snapchat, and make sure notifications are allowed. Make sure your phone isn't set to Do Not Disturb mode, as this will block notifications. You can check this in your phone's settings or control center. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap the settings icon, scroll down, and look for Clear Cache. Confirm that you want to clear it. If your notifications still aren't working, try uninstalling Snapchat and then reinstalling it from your App Store. Make sure Snapchat is up to date. Check your App Store for any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Snapchat notifications working again. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.